You can create revolved boss bases and revolved cuts. You can also create thin features using revolves. Now I've already sketched this profile and centerline to use for our example. So I'll activate the revolved base command from the Features Command Manager. If I activate the command without pre-selecting the sketch, SOLIDWORKS prompts me to either sketch a profile to revolve or select an existing sketch. I'll go ahead and select the sketch to activate the Revolve preview and open the Revolve Property Manager. Note that the axis of revolution was automatically selected in this case because it's the only centerline in the sketch. You can still manually select your rotation axis if required, and it doesn't necessarily need to be construction geometry either, although it's considered best practice to do so. In the Direction 1 panel, you can set the revolve type to blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, or midplane. As with extrusions, you can add a second direction if needed. So if I change my Direction 1 angle to 90 degrees, I can activate Direction 2 and set any angle I want. If I wanted to make my revolved part hollow, I could activate the thin feature. I'll click OK real quick just to show you how the part would look using these settings. If I switch to a section view, you can clearly see the part is hollow. Now I still want to edit the part a bit more, but this time I'll left-click the feature to do so. This brings up the SOLIDWORKS context menu only. I want to remove the thin and second direction, but the thin feature is now grayed out, and SOLIDWORKS won't let me uncheck the option. So I'm going to have to delete the feature to solve the problem. I'll right-click on the feature and select Delete. Note the Also Delete Absorbed Features option at the bottom of the Confirm Delete dialog. I'll leave this option unchecked so I can reuse the sketch to create a new revolve. Now I can go back and define the revolve as needed. I'll use the default settings and click OK to create the feature.